Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing our viewer collaboration theme, Deep Love Anchored in Jesus. This ocean-themed collaboration is such a beautiful reminder of God's deep love and the hope we have when we are anchored in Him. I'm so thankful for each person who participated and shared photos of their shoeboxes. You packed these gifts with so much love, care, and prayer. First, I'll share the collaborator photos, and then I'll show you the shoebox I packed for this theme. Let's take a look at these beautiful shoebox gifts. Hello and welcome. It's really great to be back with you here again. And I want to say thank you to all the people who sent in your photos. Your shoeboxes were amazing and inspiring. And I'm just so grateful for your participation. So thank you everyone who participated in the collaboration. And I apologize for not putting out more videos this month. This month has been a challenging month. We had someone pass away at the beginning of May, and he is with the Lord now, and we're thankful for that he will be greatly missed. And shortly after that, my hard drive in my computer completely crashed. It is not retrievable. There isn't anything that I can recover from the files or from the hard drive. According to the experts, it was just an unfortunate fluke, and I did not back up my computer. So anyway, it has been a setback, but thankfully, I think I'm up and running again. I do have one more quick vacation I'm going to be taking, but in mid-May, I should be making more videos. So Anyway, I just wanted to let you know kind of where I've been and what's been going on and why I haven't been putting out more content for you. But this shoebox is for a boy who's 2 to 4, and the theme is Baby Shark. Okay, so I've taken off the rubber bands and I use 107 rubber bands. They're nice and thick. And this box is bursting at the seams. So let me go ahead and open it up so that you can see what the child will see when he opens it. And I'm going to go ahead and take out these papers. Well, the design features some cute little sharks. And it says, Jesus loved you. And if you like this little design, you can access it by going to sweetteadaily.com. His wow gift is this cute little shark from Aurora. I'm not sure what kind of shark this is. Isn't it cute? I love the little smile. And for the little ones, I kind of like that it doesn't have any teeth, because sometimes that can be a little bit scary for kids. Anyway, I thought he was very cute, and he's got some beans in him. He's very soft. Then he has a water bottle with some sharks on it, some crabs, little ocean design. And inside his water bottle here, he has a spoon, a pair of sunglasses, and these do have the UV protectant on them. And he has a shark fidget. I found this at the dollar spot at Target. And then a cross necklace. And this is his washcloth. It's a little baby shark. And it's terry cloth. I guess it could be used as a lovey too, because it's very soft, but it is a washcloth. Here is his pencil pack. He's got some pencils and Play-Doh and a dry erase marker and of course a pencil sharpener and an eraser and a little Cookie Monster finger puppet. And I made these a while back in one of my other videos, so I won't go through all the contents now. Here he has a little go fishing game with magnets. The little pole has a magnet on it. And he can go fishing for the different kinds of fish. Isn't that sweet? Should be great for this age. He has some number practice on here. Some little cards that I got from the Dollar Tree. We just came back from vacation at Jekyll Island, and I found this baby shark book. So I picked it up in from one of the shops. It's a little finger puppet. Just thought it was very cute and a little silly. Some very cute pictures in here. And I like to include books in my boxes, and a lot of you who've already seen my videos know that I like to include books because of the pictures. Pictures are so bright and colorful, and some of the children have never had their own book before. So even if they can't read English, I just thought that just for the sake of the pictures, it's nice to include books. This was something that I purchased from a place called The Store, and it's a Color Wonder pack. So it came with 3 Color Wonder markers. I think it was 49 cents. With just some cute pictures to color. I guess they're connected. Anyway. Octopus. That's kind of cute. Look at their faces. Oh my goodness. It's so silly. So hopefully he'll have fun with that. He has a box of crayons. And I'm including some scissors and some glue. This is a fish fidget. Anyway, you just push the buttons and it'd be kind of fun to play with. I like to include balls in my boxes, and this box was so full I did not have room for a soccer ball. So I'm including a moon ball, and I thought that these were some of the colors of the ocean. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. Paw Patrol toothbrush. And here I have some finger puppets that I found. I believe these were on sale from Hobby Lobby also. I think that's where I got these. But I thought they were just so cute. So colorful. Perfect for a 2 to 4-year-old. And in these shoes, these are shark shoes. They are size 5. And I got these from Dollar General. And they were on sale. And so I bought a bunch, and I plan to make some filler out of the remaining shoes. And hopefully I'll do a video on that sometime this month. Here's his t-shirt. I got this t-shirt from Target. Just has some turtles and a little submarine on it and an octopus. And then inside of this shoe here are some socks with a sailboat on them. You will also be getting a beach ball. And this is another craft project that I found at the store, the place called The Store. I included the instructions. It came in a box, but the box would not fit. So anyway, so Baby Shark Paper Bag Buddy, and the kit includes everything that they need to make this Baby Shark puppet. So hopefully they can just follow the pictures. The parent or guardian can help them make their little puppet. It also comes with glue and a little bag and everything and stickers. I'm including this book. His name is Jesus. And this little bag, a shark that says, "Let's surf." I thought that was so cute. Nice and brightly colored. He'll be getting a Baby Shark dot-to-dot coloring book. An Ocean Animals coloring book. And this is something that you can print off of sweetteadaily.com if you're interested. Here are his paper for his school. So in here we have a paint with water. I found this at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has really great coloring books and watercolor books and journal books. It's kind of my go-to place for that kind of thing. And then I'm also including a couple paintbrushes. He'll be getting some stickers, some Baby Shark stickers, and then just some ocean stickers. And then a heart that he can color that says, "You are loved." And then this letter and number practice that you can also print off of sweetteadaily.com. And I just laminated it. And inside of his little school bus packet is a dry erase marker. So that way he can practice his letters and numbers. Okay, well, next I'm going to be introducing the theme for June, and I can't wait to share what I came up with. I hope you'll like it. I'll be right back. Our viewer collaboration theme for June is called Run Your Race with Joy. This theme is inspired by the Kentucky Derby and the beauty of horses. This theme is all about encouraging a child to keep going and know that God is with them every step of the way. For this collaboration, you choose the age and gender of the child you'd like to pack for. If you'd like your shoebox to be included in the next collaboration video, please send your photos to sweetteadaily.occ@gmail.com by June 20th. And the video will air on the last Sunday of the month, which is June 28th. I can't wait to see all of your beautiful equestrian-inspired shoeboxes. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being with me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.